Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze AmerisourceBergen. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. With a market cap of $29 billion and a stock price at 144.32, AmerisourceBergen operates in the healthcare providers and services industry. During the last year, we can see that ABC has outperformed the S&P 500. That with a little bit of more volatility, and they have been doing great, especially the last year. And this is with dividends reinvested. Now for some financial data. The sales the past year has increased by average 7.8%. That's a big check mark. The earnings though a bit lower, 3.2%. That's an X. The analyst expects future earnings to be strong though, almost 10%. The return of capital has fluctuated a bit, so the average is only 1.7. But the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is actually quite low, only about 3 years. Now for some yield data. A low dividend yield at only 1.28%, that's an X. And they are not buying back any shares, at least they didn't the last year. A very low payout ratio at only about 17%, so they have room to increase their dividend a lot. And the growth rate is just under the threshold of 5%. But they have been growing their dividend for 17 consecutive years. This makes up of a mediocre score at 5 out of 10 points. Let's check the valuation. Here in fast graphs we can see that the earnings, which is the orange line for AmerisourceBergen, is growing extremely stable. It hasn't been a single year where they have cut their earnings, so this is also why I'm actually long in ABC. Same goes with their dividend. They raise it like clockwork also the last 17 years. And if we take a look to the top right here, we can see that they are actually increasing their earnings almost 14% annually. If we also check the normal valuation, which is almost 15, and the current stock price, we can plot out to late mid 2025 and expect an annual rate of return of 13%. Please hit the like button and also watch my latest video where I reviewed a subscriber portfolio. See you soon!